Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video where we are going to talk about one of our favorite topics, plant shells. Plant shells are a great way to add a touch of nature to any space in your home. They are not only look beautiful but also offer a practical solution for displaying your favorite plants. So have you ever created a plant shell before? Let us know in the comments. Whether you are seasoned plants parent or just starting out, plant shells offer a unique way to showcase your green thumb and bring some life into your home. Do you have a favorite plants that you like to display on your shelves? Comment below and let us know. One of the best things about plant shell is that you can get a creative edge like you with your arrangements. Mix and match different types of plants and experiment with different textures and colors to create a unique and eye-catching display. What's your favorite plants combination for your plant shelf? Share with us in the comments. Another great thing about plant shells is that they are low maintenance. With a little bit of water and some sunlight, your plants will thrive and grow, giving you a beautiful and natural display all year round. Have you ever had a plant that just would not grow on your shelf? Let us know in the comments and we will try to help you out. So what do you think of our plant shelf display? Do you have any creative plant shelves ideas you would like to share? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and seeing your own plant shelf creation. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and inspiring content like this. Thanks for watching and we cannot wait to see your plant shelves creation in the comments. So this was our short video about plant shelves which you can create in your own home. So I hope that you will like the video and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family members.